Alright, we're going to start off by opening up our Field Ops app, which are the 3 half moons. Once you open that up, you'll be asked if it's been asleep for more than 30 minutes to enter a code. The PIN is 55555, all fives, until it starts loading. Sometimes this will take a little bit. Also, sometimes it'll take a while for all the call information to update with the server. Once it's all updated, you can see this is our main dashboard. We've got calls listed on the left hand side and a map on the right, which have icons for the different types of calls. So those are all the active calls. Scroll down, we see scheduled calls, and if you were going on a call and you hadn't assigned yourself yet, you'd see it in waiting. And you'd also see the icon on the location of the call. Sometimes the map can be a little slow to respond. So when you want to assign yourself to a call, you click it in the waiting area if nobody's assigned themselves to it. And you'll hit assign, and that puts you responding to the call. You'll see your unit pop up under units listed, and you'll receive the notification that you are assigned. From here you can see all the CAD information. If there was more information, you'd see more as an icon that you can add more. Address. If you click the yellow button at the top right of the map, that takes you to your mapping to the call, and you can hit the Field Ops at the top left to go back to the application. If you want to change your status, you can go to that button where it said responding, and now you're going to change it. This gives you a list of your options for your next available status. It's kind of hard to see on the video, but we're going to go to on scene. If you are the first unit on scene, you should go on the radio and give a report rather than utilize the button. Bottom right, if you hit that, it just centers you on your geographic location for your blue dot. If you go back to the dispatch, we can go up to the top right and change our status as well. You can go, in this demo I try to go available in quarters from on scene, which it doesn't allow me to do. So to change from on scene, the pathway would be available 10-8, and then at that point, once you go available, it closes out your call. Since we're the only unit assigned to this call, when we went available, it closes out the call. Now I can go available in quarters, and it's asking me to select a location. Whatever you are currently assigned to last, it'll be at the top, so you'd hit submit. Now it's got us available in quarters at Station 5 for Ambulance 5566. So if you want to look at other calls, if we go to this medical for Medic Engine 6 in Salinas, we can wait for a second and go to more. It's going to give us more CAD information. This is all the CAD data, from the top being the most recent to the bottom being the first 911 call taker. So you can see all the information for the call. Again, that's the lat long geographical location of the call. That's pretty much it for what this application does. This takes us back to the main screen. If you have any questions, give Captain Fenton or myself, Pratt, a call. Hopefully we can answer those. I wanted to go over some items that we wanted to note. When you click assign, that's also the same as putting yourself responding. For the second unit responding, wait to assign for the first unit to go en route. App's not working, use the radio. And for hydrant information and pre-incident survey, that is still in PDF Expert, so you have to utilize multiple apps for the time being.